The unit in recent years has been advising to guard against a number of online scams, deliberately designed to separate people from their hard-earned monies. However, the FIU on Tuesday says it is still observing some fraudulent activities, new ones and others continuous. Inspector Raymond Locke-IB, attached to the Financial Intelligence Unit, addressed the concerns.
It's rather unfortunate, and we have been losing a lot of monies here in Grenada with respect to these fraudulent activities. There is another one that is trending at this time. It's you've been contacted on Instagram and told of grant funding from the World Bank. And again, they're using the pictures of ministers of government as if the ministers are the ones contacting you and telling you about this grant funding from World Bank. But we all know that the World Bank don't really give individuals grant funding. They work through institutions. And they will direct you again as to where you should send monies, and at the end of the day, your money is lost.
The FIU has been warning Grenadians to beware of a number of scams that have been successfully enticing Grenadians to send their monies abroad. While some have heeded the warnings, others remain gullible.
We have this program that is named Civic Program. It is purported to be a government program where they contact you on Facebook and advise you that you can get funding for scholarships and other personal expenses. It is portrayed as if it is ministers who are actually contacting you, because they're using the pictures of current as well as former ministers. All right? And one of the catch is that you don't have to pay it back. But at the end of the day, if you go ahead and actually send your monies, because the funding has to come from overseas, and they will direct you as to where you should send the monies. And if you go ahead and send these monies, at the end of the day, unfortunately, you would end up losing your money and not getting any money in return.
Locke-IB is stressing the need for people to verify information before engaging these seemingly lucrative opportunities. Of concern too are incidences of email fraud. Email addresses might appear genuine, but with minute differences. The inspector urged vigilance, especially as it relates to financial transactions.
Quite recently, we have had two situations where a business entity and a professional actually collectively sent out in excess of 135,000 US dollars. And we know what the story would be at the end of the day. We try our utmost with the assistance of international counterparts to see how we can actually properly investigate in order to try and retrieve. But what happens is, we know how the internet functions. And when you send monies out there via the internet, okay, you wire monies, it is like a lightning flash. The monies are collected, and the criminals, the miscreants, they are gone.
Cherry and Blackman Stephen, GBN News.